Okay, so what we have done, so what we have done, we have, of course, cleaned up the travel curve card. We have cleaned up the skip module. We have tried to clean up the contact here. Um, so now, as it is, as you can see, there is a big difference between how it was before and now how it is. It's very clear. It's very clean. There is no any dust. There is no any filthy environment on the cards. The contactor, we have cleaned up the contacts, put it back. Uh, yeah, so we are almost done. All we need now is to put back the drive, uh, to reassemble the drive in its original position, do all the connections, then do the commissioning of the drive. And after it is done, after it is done, after we have put back everything, we recommission the drive, and that is it. And we do the testing. And if the problem is gone, the SH fault, SGRW fault, then we know we have the lift running. Yes.